Yo, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlogs. And as always, I appreciate all the love and support. In today's video, we're going to be throwing in these guys right here that I got from Carbon Add-ons. And actually, my buddy that has a ZL1 ended up not using these. And these are the paddle shifters for the steering wheel. Now, I don't have anything in red carbon in the car, but I'm excited to put these on because I don't want to put too much carbon fiber in the car, but I want to put just enough, and the steering wheel's already carbon fiber through Wild Hammer Motorsports. But these right here are from Carbon Add-ons, and I can't wait to throw them on. He also gave me this piece right here that goes up top. So hopefully just the adhesive that's already on here maybe will work. If not, then I'll, just go buy some more, then I'll re-stick it back on. But for today's video, we're going to put this on. So let's go. All right, guys, so in this packet, what you're gonna get is you're gonna get this double-sided adhesive tape. Let me make sure the light is dark enough so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you can see this double-sided tape right here. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna apply it on the back of this piece right here, and then you're gonna apply it on the back of this piece right here. I don't really use mine, and I already wiped this down, so it should stick just fine. And it's literally just put it on here, put it on the back of this, and just tighten it on there. That's it. Just put some pressure on it and you'll be good to go. This material is very nice, real carbon fiber. I want to see what it looks like. You know what I mean? Actually, here, let's put it next to it just to... Oh yeah, that looks sick. I was debating if it was gonna look right, but I just did a pulse check and it looks great. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take out one of these adhesive pieces of tape, and we're going to apply it as center as possible. Don't go too low, don't go too high, just try to put it right in the middle, and that should do the job. So let me take the back of this adhesive off, this tape I should say, and then we'll apply it. Just like that. Perfect. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the front of it. So that's where this part right here, you're going to take off, peel it off, and then stick it on the back. And then I'll show you guys a close-up of what it looks like. All right, we're gonna apply some pressure on there, and that should do the job. Let me apply a little more pressure on the top, bottom, middle. Yeah, that's pretty sick. That actually looks really good. All right, let's do the other side. Shout out to Carbon Add-ons also. I know my friend hooked me up with these right here, but Carbon Add-ons does sponsor Prime. So be sure to check them out. I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can get this stuff too, and what other pieces you may need, and go from there. Boom. All right. The way that they made the molding is literally to your paddle shifters. So it's not like you can put them uneven. There's only one way that you can apply them and they stick on. I like that. All right, guys. So I'm sitting in the car as we speak, and there you go. There's the downshift right here, there's a little minus sign, and then there's the positive right there for that paddle shifter, and I really like it. It looks really, really good. Hopefully you guys like that. The reason why I said, you know what, let's try the red. There's already carbon right here and carbon right here and carbon up here, but there's a red stripe right here in the middle. I was like, let's just throw some red in there just to kind of change it up. I could always swap these out if I ever wanted to and just get them in carbon just to match exactly what the steering wheel looks like. But you guys let me know. What do you guys think? Should I leave the red on there or should I swap them out and make it match right here? I like it where it's different. I don't know. You can see the paddle shifters from there. So either way, man, hopefully you guys like that. Again, this one I couldn't put it on because it has the 3 buttons right here for the garage door opener, and I have to set that up too. I couldn't put that on, but we'll see. I'm debating if I should put any more carbon fiber in the inside of the car. You guys let me know down there in the comments. All right, you guys, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick one, short, simple video, but again, it's the small little details that make a big difference to me. I don't know if I want to put everything carbon fiber in here just yet. I'm still like in my beginning phases of enjoying the car. And I really like how it's kind of subtle right now, the way it looks like inside. But you guys know me. If you've ever seen Optimus Prime, that thing is gutted inside with carbon fiber. So I told myself the moment I start putting additional carbon fiber pieces, it's like getting tattoos. The moment you get one, you're gonna keep getting the rest of them. There's nothing wrong with it, but I think the next thing might be the OEM ZL11LE dash insert right there, the carbon fiber. And I'm debating if I should do the radio or not. We'll see. I want to make it look like clean, like where it seems like it came like an upgraded version from factory. Like that's my goal, to make it look like that. So either way, man, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If it's your first time on the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. A thumbs up definitely helps out the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think about what I had showed you guys here with this product. If you guys are going to get yours, if you already have yours, if you have any recommendations for me to throw on anything else in here, let me know in the comments. But in the meantime, between time, you know the drill. Hey Dilla, bow, Superman, chilling right here in the car, prep time in the garage soon. It's going to be in there with it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.